Imagine you're deep in a coding session, working on a tricky problem. Suddenly, you encounter a perplexing issue with formulas and model matrices in R. This unexpected twist throws a wrench in your plans, leaving you scratching your head and wondering where things went wrong. But fear not, because the solution is just around the corner. In the midst of your confusion, a ray of hope shines through. The key lies in understanding the nuances of how R interprets the dot symbol in formulas. By using the code snippet terms.formula y plus x1 plus caret 2 data equals det, you can exclude certain variables from interactions based on their position in the formula. This simple trick sheds light on the mysterious behavior you encountered earlier, helping you make sense of the situation. Building upon this newfound knowledge, you delve deeper into the world of our formulas. Another intriguing code snippet, terms.formula yx1 plus x1 caret 2 data equals dat, offers another way to manipulate interactions and tailor your model matrix to your specific needs. This additional insight expands your toolkit for handling formula intricacies and empowers you to wield R's modeling capabilities with finesse. In summary, navigating the complexities of formulas and model matrices in R can be a daunting task. However, armed with a deeper understanding of how the dot symbol operates and a few clever coding techniques, you can conquer any challenges that come your way. So keep exploring, keep learning, and remember to embrace the quirks that make coding an adventure. Until next time, happy coding, and may your data always be tidy and your models robust. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Who knows, maybe the next solution will bring even more surprises and insights into the wonderful world of programming.